Good day everyone, welcome to another section of our training. So today we are going to be dealing with the mixing of gradient colors. Now before we do that, we are going to go to the shape icon, that is the shape tool, which is over here. We are going to click on that to bring in a shape. So we are going to be using a square shape. Good. Now there are many other things to be done here, like opacity, that's to reduce opacity, but that aside, now this stroke width, which is very important, is to increase the width of the stroke at each edge of the square. So you can see it, as I am increasing it, the width of the shape is also what's increasing. So I'm going to leave it at 15. But we don't need, now you can also change the stroke color, because this one here is black, so I can change it to any color of my choice. So if I don't want the ones that are listed here already, I can just click on this, like I told you in the last class, to pick on any color you want. So you click on OK. So that's very good. Now we don't need the opacity yet, so this is just what we need for this shape. Good. Now you can see that this is fill color, that is, it's going to put in color inside the shape. Very nice. But we don't want an ordinary color, we want to mix colors, that is, we want to use like two different colors entirely for this our shape. So we're going to click on this gradient here. When you click on it, then you can see that there are different colors that have been mixed here for us, but we don't want this type of color, so we can just mix the colors ourselves. So we're going to click on this addition sign as well. So when we click on it, you can see this new feature that is brought for us. So these 6 icons on top is used to control this way at which you want to mix your colors. For example, if I want my color to be like this, it has different features. See, if you want one color to be in the middle, different features. But you can easily choose the one you like by moving this by moving this arrow. So you can see it. You can easily move the arrow on your own to be able to mix your color. Now it's not necessary for you to mix just 2 colors. You can mix many colors. By doing that, if you want to mix different colors, you click on this addition sign here. When you click on it, you will see that in this palette here, there are 2 before, but when I click on the addition sign, it changed to 3. If I click on the addition sign again, it's going to change to, it's going to add one more. Can you see that? Good. But if I want to remove it, you first of all have to highlight it. For example, I'm clicking on the first one. Then if I want to remove it, I click on this minus sign. You can see that it already deleted that one. If I want to remove another one too, maybe I want to remove this last one, you click on it, it's going to highlight it. As you can see, an orange highlight there. So I click on this negative sign, it's going to delete it. So that's how to delete anything you want to delete from this color pattern here. So now I don't want to use this, so I want to move this to the edge, move this one also to the edge. Then if I want to pick color for each edge, I'm going to click on it first. For example, I already clicked on this one is highlighted already, so I'm going to click on this color for me to pick the color I want for that one. So I'm going to use blue. Okay, I want my blue to be a little bit dark, so I'm just going to shift this icon. Okay, then this other one, I want it to be yellow, so I click on it first before I come to color. So I move this to the color side. So let's give it color of yellow. Okay, now good. So can you see this? So now if I want to mix this color, now maybe I don't want it to be like this, I want it to be at the middle, or I want it to be at the edge. So I can easily click on these 6 icons here to be able to change it, instead of me trying to move this long stick here. So this is like a very perfect way to mix the colors, and you can also mix it on your own. So I might want to add another color. So when I click on this addition, it's going to add another one. Then I don't want this color, so I click on it. I want to use a color like red. So that's good. So I'm going to reduce this. I don't want it to be too obvious. Good. No, this is not what I want. So I bring this one back. Yes, this is what I want. Good. I don't want it to be too bright. Okay. As you can see that. So if I don't want it to, so let me reduce this a little so it's not going to be too obvious. Good. So this is just what I want to mix. So if I click on OK, you're going to see that the square shape has already been filled with this color. So this is just how to mix your gradient color. It's very easy to do. Can you see this? Very beautiful. So it's, you can just what, mix your gradient color, choose any color you want to be able to what, design or make your design look more perfect and colorful. Thank you. See you in the next class. If you have any question, you can just ask on the group and your questions will be answered. Thank you.